mean, this is my fourth time coming here eating.
Dang. I don't like the way they look. Out with the people taking the kids to Mully Hop.
5, 10, 5, 11, and they gonna.
Let's get them in here. Ooh,
Where'd you go? Do you know how I've been living without you? Sleeping on the couch with you, I'm rising with you tonight and on the island. Yeah, it's about time for waking up. Told you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I did miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So confused, won't you? Won't you? Can I tell you something? Why is mine? You've had it, that's all. Take you there, take you. Show you something you know it was. You've had it, that's all. Take you there, take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel that silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. Said our time will make it no time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you.
really? Y'all. Yeah. This man here. They ain't trying to leave, y'all. I don't like that light behind me. Better hurry up. Y'all, it's time to go. Look at them. Stay to running. Stay to running, y'all. It's time to go. I'm trying to get out of cooking, y'all. I don't have no hotspot either. My phone about to whatchamacallit. You don't even have to whatchamacallit. Yeah, we in the dollar store. We in the clean, nice one too, y'all. Nice and clean. Why don't say charcoal? It says moisture. What's the difference? I don't see a difference in it. Don't get my boy in trouble. Yeah, I gotta take me some medicine. Some more. Let's see, y'all. Look at him repeating out the people. About sick of you.
Man, move. Move, little boy. I'm sick of you.
Yeah, and got him some. Better be repeating that work like that. Ooh. Repeat that work like that.
That's what I need to start doing. He like copying me all the time. He just start spilling.
That's what I need to start doing. He like copying.
Yeah, he just start spilling so you can learn. Right?
Sure do.
Right?
Yeah, repeat that too. Yeah, y'all, it's so quiet in here. I might need to get this. Go look at the herbs. I've been looking for these. Y'all need to get on this other side. Let's see. They still right here playing. And I got these sardines in here. I don't know about that flavor though, y'all. Should be looking for some medicine while I'm in here.
I don't like my name on your phone.
Oh. Ooh, and ooh. This is ghetto. Dog. What's the hell, y'all?
But we gotta eat first.
Jeez.
Then we gonna use the bathroom. But we gotta eat first. Can I use the bathroom? Can I?
Bro.
Is y'all okay?
Last stop for tonight. I gotta get me a little medicine, y'all. So we in Dollar General. Probably can't record in here because they be playing copyright music too. But I'm gonna see y'all at the house. Cooking spaghetti, bread, little corn. Oh, and we got a rotisserie. So yeah.
It's okay.
The stove sour, y'all. Why the stove sour?
Should I get?
This smells like a mouth this time.
Welcome back, Shy Tribe. Welcome back, y'all. So, welcome back to another video. Y'all already know the deal. Y'all know what to do. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the video. Make sure you watch the video all the way through as well. Happy New Year, everybody. By this time, I'm pretty sure y'all done saw about... Y'all may have watched 2 videos from last year. Somewhere around there. But, anywho, I'm at Walmart right now. I got plenty of... When I say a lot of running around to do, y'all, I mean plenty. So... Like I said, I'm at Walmart right now, and y'all already know I can't record in our Walmart because I don't know who picked to turn on Walmart radio, but they be up in there jamming all the time, so can't do the copyright. But yeah, y'all, I'm just in here to get a few simple things like bottled water and my honey hat. Y'all, I've been out of my honey hat for so long. It been like, I know, a good month now. And when I tell y'all, I love the honey hat because it's way less calories, and I mean the honey hat good. That's all I can say. It's way less calories, and of course we that's a plus in my book. That's gonna automatically make me want it. But yeah, I'm gonna get that, and then I'm getting canes. Don't tell my wife, but you know I'm gonna get it today. I've been holding out all week. I wasn't supposed to get it, but too much running around to be trying to cook something, and then yeah. But I'm going to do better because next week, I'm not getting anything at all. Let's go in Walmart. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Y'all, I'm so mad right now. Why I go in Walmart and they did not have my sauce? Like, Walmart, I need y'all to get on it. Like, it should be no reason that I go in there and y'all don't have my sauce. Like, what are we doing right now? So, I'm headed to Cane's. Well, yeah, I'm pulling up in Cane's Lane. Really made me sad. I really thought about driving. Excuse me. I really thought about driving 20 minutes to go to the other Walmart and see if they had it, but then I'll be mad again. So it's like, what is even the point? It's not a point. So I'm just not ain't gonna worry about it right now. Hopefully they restock it soon, cause they got all of the. I'm gonna put a picture up of the sauce that I'm talking about, cause it's Walmart. It's their brand, but it's the organic can. So yeah, y'all. Stay tuned. After I get my food, I gotta go to Piggy Wiggy, get the water, and I'm gonna eat before I go in there. And I mean, that's it so far. Like, that's about everything. I might do a little bit of small little running around. Oh no. Okay, y'all, so Mardi Gras is coming up. Y'all already know how we get down for Mardi Gras. And why is Mardi Gras the same day as Valentine's Day? It's crazy. But y'all, hold on. It's my year to plan out what we're going to do. So, I got to get on it. Got to get on my gifts I'm getting. So yeah, y'all, we got a lot of planning to do. I'm so happy. And then my birthday, we got so much to do, y'all. Y'all know how the beginning of the year is for me. Mardi Gras, Valentine's Day, my birthday, and now our anniversary. Our anniversary, y'all. I'm so happy. But yes, y'all. So stay tuned. I'm trying to get my food. Okay, looking delicious. Okay, a little toast. It ain't all that now. It ain't. Let's not get it confused. It's not foo-foo. But you know it'll do. And get the job done. Alright, y'all. Alright, y'all. I changed my mind about Piggy Wig. I don't feel like going all the way over there right now. We do have something to do that way, so I think I'm gonna just wait until tomorrow and go that way. That way we can just handle everything at one time, because there's a lot going on. So yeah. Now I'm about to run in maybe TJ Maxx. I'm mad, y'all, because I don't think our TJ Maxx be having like the sand and fog perfume and all of that. That whole collection of stuff. I don't think ours be having it. And I'd be a little mad. Because I want to see what it smell like. It's like, I want to see what the hype is about, basically. Like, are y'all just hyping this stuff up, or do it really smell good? Like, is it living up to the hype? I don't know, but dang. So y'all forgot to say that too. So today is my godson first basketball game. Y'all, I'm so excited. I'm so happy. I can't wait. This is first time playing sports, y'all, so I cannot wait. He like a ball full of energy, y'all. So I just know this is gonna be perfect for him. Like, I just know it. So I can't wait, y'all. That's tonight. I'm gonna have to go home, get a shower, all that, freshen up with the woo. I ain't doing too much. I'm probably gonna throw on some more tights, throw some clothes, a little t-shirt on, and keep on pushing it, y'all. But for now, I think I'm gonna go back in Five Below. It was some stuff I wanted to get out of there, so I might be getting that, y'all. And last year I was supposed to start like working on my makeup journey and all that, but this year, for real, like, I'm gonna start getting my makeup brushes and all that. I gotta figure out what skin tone the stuff I need to get, like what is it? Don't tell me. I know the name of it. The foundation. I knew I was gonna figure that. I gotta figure out what color foundation do I need. The foundation, like all of it. I don't even have no mascara anymore. I used to have some. I think my niece took it. Or maybe I lost it. I might have lost it and she didn't take it this time, y'all. But anyways, y'all, like I said, I'm gonna start that. Because I want to at least be able to wake up and this date night and just do a nice little quick 1-2 beat. You know, something real natural looking, but you know what I'm saying, look like I tried, okay? So yes, y'all, stay tuned. I think they be having copyright up in Five Below too, so I might show y'all a few little clips, but yeah, I think they be playing music too. Yeah, stay tuned, y'all. Y'all, just as I figured, they had all that copyright in there. But god dang, somebody got copyright out here. But anyways, y'all, I'm headed to TJ Maxx, see what prices they got. I might not buy nothing. I gotta show y'all what I brought in Five Below. And yeah, stay tuned. So for y'all to see me. But anywho, y'all, I ain't finding nothing in there. Let me just walk this way. I didn't find a goddamn thing in TJ Maxx for real. I saw some cute purses, but you know, I'm trying to do better. The year just started, so I didn't buy anything. But you know, y'all leave it there. I come back. Yeah, we gotta come up with a budget because we got a trip coming up soon. So you know, I gotta do right. Gotta do right, y'all. It's time to go pick Bay up. So I will see y'all probably. Dang. Yeah, next time I pick y'all up, I'll be at the house. See y'all at the house. Y'all, I have made it home. We finished eating. You was finna come in here? We have finished eating, you guys. We're about to wind it down. Dang, I'm about to fall in here. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I really gotta find that thing for my what's the thing called? My mic. I gotta find it. But anyway, y'all, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all tomorrow.